हेलो, स्क्रीन शो कर रहे हैं सबको? हेलो, मेरा पीपीटी शो कर
Yes,
रहा है?
sir.
So
So,
today I discuss about the PPI, Programmable Peripheral Interface. The name of this IC is 8255. Actually, 8255A is a general purpose programmable I/O device with designed for use with all Intel and most microprocessor, and it provide 24 input output pins. It provides 24 input output pins, which may have individually programmed in two groups. One is group A and another is group B. Include 12 pins each and three major mode. So the major mode is that mod 0, mod 1 and 2. In mod 0, each group of 20 I/O pins may be programmed in set of 4 and 8 input or output. In mod on, each group may be programmed to have 8 lines of input or output, and 3 of the remaining 4 pins are used to handshaking. 3 of the remaining 4 pins are used for handshaking and interrupt control signal. Okay. Now, in last mod is 2. Last mod is mod 2. Last mod is mod 2. What is done in mod 2? In mod 2 is strobed or bidirectional pass configuration. Strobe mod or bidirectional mod mod operation or mod configuration. And now in 8255 there will be a 40 pin integrated IC or integrated circuit and designed to perform the various interface function in computer environment. The H255 was not originally designed to be a connected to G80 G80 processor, and it was manufactured by Intel for the microprocessor of 8080 or 8085, matlab 80 series. So actually the function of 8255, it connect the processor to another peripheral device. For this reason it is called peripheral device or peripheral interface. And why it is called programmable? Because we can enable or we can control its operation by using program. We can control the operation by using program. For this reason it is called programmable peripheral interface. So actually what happened here, the total number of input output pins is 24. Total number of input output pin is 24, and it can be classified in two groups, and it's group A and group B. Each group contains 12 pins, and first 8 pins are bidirectional. First 8 pins are the in mod 0, and there are also with 3 mod. One is mod 0, another is mod on, and mod 2. In mod 0 में क्या होता है? Mod 0 में 12 pins can be program of input output, and mod 2 में क्या mod on में क्या होता है? 8 pins are input output, and another 3 pin of the 4 pins are used for handshaking and interrupt control pin, and mod 2 is the bidirectional mod. Now show the pin diagram of 8255. Show the pin diagram of 8255. In 8255 the pin number 1 to 40. So here you see that the PA, what is PA? PA means port A, or PB means port B, and PC means port C. So PA matlab PA0 or PA0 to PA7 is the total. How many pins? Is 8. PB0 to PB7 is 8 pins at same PC0 to PC7. All are input output pins. And another D0 dot D0 to D7 is the input output. D0 to D0 is the input output data pins. एंड ए छोड़ के क्या क्या है, मेरा एक रीसेट पिन है और एक आरडी है जो रीड इनपुट, और एक डब्ल्यूआर बार है जो राइट इनपुट, और ए छोड़ के एक दो एड्रेस पिन है। तो एड्रेस पिन है वो है A0 और A1। ए छोड़ के मेरा CS मीन्स चिप सेलेक्ट, CS मीन्स चिप सेलेक्ट, और एक ग्राउंड है और एक सप्लाई है, और सप्लाई रिक्वायरमेंट इन फॉर दिस आईसी इज 5 volt D। So देखो here, now here pin number 1 to 4 is PA not to P, and pin number 37 to 40 is the PA47. Now pin number 5 is RD bar, pin number 6 is CS bar, and pin number 7 here is the ground, and pin number and 9 is the address pin, which is denoted A0 or A1. Now pin number 10 to 17, pin number 10 to 17 is the PC0 or PC0 to PC7. And now pin number 18 is PB0 to PB7, and pin number 26 is the VCC or 5 volt supply. From pin number 27 to 34 is the data bus or data pins. Data bus or data pins. And now pin number 35 is the reset pin, and pin number 36 is the RD bar or write input. Okay. Now next slide is that the block diagram of 8255. The block diagram of 8255. In left hand side, all are internally connected through a internal bus. In left hand, you see that at the below there are a read write control logic. In read write control logic, which pin are connected? RD bar, WR bar, A0 or A1, reset or chip select bar. And just above of this block, the data bus buffer, which is connected through data bus, which is bi-directional. And from these two, the another in right side and another block which is on is group A and another is group. So here you see that the read write control logic is connected to all the block, because it is the main, or it's a central or part of the 8255, from which all are controlled. So you see that from read write, on signal goes to group B and on signal goes to group A and data bus buffer. And also the right hand side of the internal bus is the group A control and group B control. All are connected through a read write control logic. Now from group A is right hand side is to group A port A and group A port C apart. So each group can be divided into 12 pins. One is 8 pins of group A port A, and another in case of group A, another in port C, group A upper, and this is all are bidirectional and connected to internal buses. All are connected to in buses. And now in group B control, there is group port C lower, which is 4 bit, which is PC0 to PC3, and another is that group B port B, which is PB0 to PB7, PB0 to PB7. So features, there are three 8-bit peripheral port, which is port A, port B, port C. And further is the port C are classified in two groups. One is 4-bit upper and another is lower. Port C upper and port C lower. And the three programming modes for peripheral ports, mod 0 is the basic, mod 0 is basic input output mode, and mod 1 is the strobe input output mode, and mod 2 is called bi-directional mode. So total number of 24 programmable IO lines. 8-bit bidirectional system data bus, 8-bit bidirectional system data bus with a standard microprocessor interface control. 8-bit bidirectional system data bus with a standard microprocessor interface control. Now the control logic of 8255. Next slide is that the control logic of 8255. Here, the D0 to D7, there are data input output lines for the device. All the information reads from and written to the 8255 occurs via 8 data lines. All the information read from and written to the 8255 occurs via these 8 data lines, means D0 to D7, which is connected to data bus buffer through an internal. Next is that RD bar. This is a active low signal. When this signal is low, MPU reads data from a selected IO port. Actually, read signal when read operation is done, the read signal actually low. So this is a active low signal. When the signal is low, MPU means microprocessing unit reads from a selected IO port. Next is that WR bar. This is also the active low signal. When this signal goes low, the MPU writes into a selected IO port or control register. And next is that reset is the another important pin, is that the 8255 is placed into a reset state if the input lines are active in high signal, is that logic. All the peripheral ports are set to input mode. All the peripheral port are set to input mode, means जो peripheral port क्या है हमारा A, B, C, all are set to input mode. Now chip select. Next is chip select. In chip select, if the line is log 0, then the microprocessor can read or write to the 8255. Actually, chip select is like act as an on-off switch. When it is on, then work can be processed, otherwise it is off. So in this chip select line is logic 0, then the microprocessor can and reads or write to 8255. And next is A0 or A1. This is the input output port, and control or register is done using A0 or A1. Actually, these are A1 address port or address port. And now A1 are decide the port which port is select, कौन सा port select होगा, or depends on the value of A0 or A1. पोर्ट ए होगा ना, पोर्ट बी होगा ना, पोर्ट सी होगा ना, कंट्रोल रजिस्टर सिलेक्ट होगा. नाउ द बिट पैटर्न ऑफ द इज दैट initially where the value of both मतलब A0 or A1 is 0, then selected port will or selected the port A. When the value of A0 is 0 and A1 is 1, then port selected. Next, A0 is 1 and A1 is 0, then port C selected. And finally, when the both value are 1, the control register of 8255 will be selected. So what is control register? The content of the register is called control word. This register can be accessed to write a control word. A0 or A1 are at logic 1. A0 और A1 is logic 1. यहाँ पर 0 है, गलत है. जब 1 होगा A0 और A1 का वैल्यू, तभी ये सिलेक्ट होगा. The content of the register is called control word. Now, what is the necessity of control word? By determining the address port A, B, C and the control register according to the chip select. Control register according to the chip select logic means CS bar, the address line A0 or and in control register and IO and a IO instruction to communicate with peripheral through port A, port B, and main function is that it IO instruction which communicate with peripheral through port A, port B, and C. So communication purpose के लिए ये मेरा control और register का जरूरत होता है. तो write a IO instruction means input output instruction to communicate with peripheral through port A, B, and C. Port A, port B, and port C. In 8255, there will be two mode. One is, next slide is that, two mode. One is BSR mode, which is called bit set reset mode, and another IO mode or input output mode. Input output mode. So when BSR mode is selected, when the value of bit D7, when the value of control or register or value of the bit D7 is, then BSR mode is selected. And when the value of bit D7 is 1, the IO mode means input output mode is selected. Input output mode is selected. Input output mode is selected. तो क्या हुआ, कब मेरा BSR मोड में काम करेगा और BSR मोड सिलेक्ट होगा? When the value of bit D7 is 0 and the value of when the value of bit D7 is 0, then BSR mode is selected. And when the value of bit D7 is 1, so IO mode is be selected. And also furtherly, the IO mode can be classified in three modes. One is mod 0, mod 1, and 2. Mod 0, mod 1, and mod 2. Okay. Now BSR mode. The BSR mode is connected only when the 8-bit bit, the BSR mod is connected when the 8 bits of the port C can be set or reset by writing a appropriate control word in control register, and a control with the bit D7 is 0 recognized as a BSR control word. So when the bit D7 value is 0 and it recognizes the BSR control word. Otherwise, if the value is 1, then it is be selected IO mod control word register. Now, the bit pattern or odd format of BSR mod, odd format of BSR mod. The first is that D7 to D naught, D7 to D naught. When the value of D7 is BSR mode, means, and the D6 to D4, these pins are, or these these bit are not don't care bit, and from bit D3 to D1, from bit D3 to D1 are bit select, and another extra bit set reset is D naught, which is set if 1 and reset if 0. Reset 0. Okay. So here in BSR mode, the value of, obviously the value of this is 0. So now note bit D3 to D1, bit D3 to D1. When the value of bit D3, D2 and D1 all are 0, means bits value are all, then bit 0 is selected. When the value of D3 and D2 is 0 but D1 is 1, so bit 1 is selected. So bit 1 is selected. And finally last is that when the value of both 3 is 1, means D3 is 1, D2 is 1 and D1 is 1, is the bit D7 is selected. Bit D7 is selected. So again, now give with an example. Suppose the in BSR mode the value of is control word or register is that 23 hex. So at we first it convert into we convert into a binary number. So binary number, what will be the value of this? 0010. So initially see that and final matlab 2 is represented 0010 and 3 is 0011. So here for explanation is that for D7 value is 0, so this is BSR mode, and the value of D6 to D4 is a don't care, so nothing to be is, and D3 to D2, D3 to D1, D3 and D2 all are, and DR is 0. So bit D1 value is 1, so bit 1 is selected. And another last is that is set, bit is set. देखो यहाँ पर bit set और reset. So when set होगा जब value of D naught is 1, so bit is set, otherwise it is reset. And कौन सा bit select होगा? Bit 0 होगा ना bit 1 होगा? ये depend करता है मेरा bit value of bit D3 to value of bit D3 to D1. Bit D3 to D1. And next is that the input output mode. Next is that input output mode IO mode. Two mode tha. One is BSR mode, another is IO mode. And IO mode is also furtherly classified in 3 mode: mode 0, mode 1 and 2. Okay. Now the odd format of IO mod, it is very, very important in every exam. This question obviously क्या बोले मतलब in it is see that all time in every year this question must be present your exam. Now odd format of IO mod. Odd format of IO. In IO mod, there is the basic condition of IO mod is that bit D7 value is 1. So mod set flag, and this bit is called mod set flag. The value of D7 bit obviously 1, मतलब 1 होना चाहिए. And next is mod selection. कौन सा mod select होगा वो डिपेंड करता है value of bit D6 and D7. Bit D6 and D7, sorry, D6 and D. So in mod selection, when the value of D5 and D6 is both 0, then mod 0 is selected. When the value of D6 is 0 and D5 is 1, so mod 1 is selected. And when the value of D6 is 1 and D5 value is either 1 or 0, then the mod 2 is selected. Okay. Now here we see that the first 3 bit is D7 to D5. D7 is the mod set flag. मतलब एक कौन सा mod में काम करेगा, IO mod or BSR mod. So when the value of bit D7 is 1, it acts as an IO mode, means input output mode. Now the mod selection bit here is that D5 and D5 and D6. So when the both value is 0, the mod 0 is selected. When the value of 0 1 means 6 is 0 and 5 is 1, then mod 1. When the value of D6 is 1 and D5 is either 0 or 1, so it's not will depend, then the mod 2 is selected. Now the D4. Now see the D4. D4 is the port A. D4 is the port A. If the value of D4 is 1, then port A act as input port. If port A act as input port when the value of D4 bit is 1. If the value of D4 bit is 0, so the port A act as an output port. Now the value of bit D3, port C upper, this is the group A, and port C upper, if the value of bit D3 is 1, so port C upper act as an input port. If the value of bit D3 is, so port C upper act as an output port. Now next is that group P control or group. So in group P, which pins are D2. Another D2 is the another mod selection, means group B mod selection is that what happened here. Here the mod selection is 0 अगर mod 0 होगा, 1 अगर mod 1 होगा. D2 का वैल्यू अगर 0 होगा तो mod 0 होगा. और group B control, if the value of 1, in here group B there will be no mod 2 is selected or mod 2 operation is done here, means bidirectional operation is not done. Bidirectional operation is now is that D1, if the value of port B or if the value of D1 is 1, so port B act as an input. If the value is 0, then port B act as an output. And next or final is that port C lower, upper already done. Port C lower, which is 4 bit, and if the value of D naught is 1, then port C lower is act an input port. If the value of D naught is 0, then port C lower is act as an output. See the right hand side with the example, and is very much control register. A control is that 83 hex. But when we join the programming, but when you send the signal, the final value of 83 hex means. So initially at the HM, we convert the hexadecimal number system. At first we convert it 83 hex, convert in binary. So 8 is converted in 8000 and 3 is converted 0011. So here the value D7 bit is 1, so it acts as an IO mode, and the value of see here value of D6 and D5, value of D6 and D5, value of D6 and D5 is all are 0. So this is port A mod 0. देखो जब दोनों का वैल्यू 0 होगा तब क्या होगा, पोर्ट A mod 0. सेम नेक्स्ट द बीट D4 का वैल्यू अगर 0 होगा तो क्या होगा, when the value of bit D4 is 0, it is port A act as an output. So port A is the, and next is D3. यहाँ पर D3 का वैल्यू क्या है, मेरा 0 है, तो D3 is a port A, sorry, group A, port C upper as the output, act as an output port. Okay, now group B control, the value of D2 is 0. The value of D2 is 0. The value of D2 is 0 means the group or port group B or port B is an mod 0, and the value of D1 is 1. So port B is the input port. Port B is the input port, and the value is also the value of D0 is 1, means port C lower also input port. Port C lower also input. Now the mod operation of 8255 PPI. PPI means programmable peripheral interface. In programmable peripheral interface, so what type of operation done in mod 0? First is the mod 0. In mod 0, port A and port B are used as a two simple input output port, two simple input output port, and port C as a two 4-bit port, and next, and its output are latched. In mod 0, output are latched, and but in mod 0, input are not latched. But output are latched. And another is that here not port do not have any handshake and interrupt capability. Handshake and interrupt capability. Bidirectional data transfer कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है, इसका बायडायरेक्शनल डेटा ट्रांसफर कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है. और मोड 0 is also called basic input output mode, basic input mode and output mode, and the functionally provide a simple input and output operation of each of the three parts. and 16 different input output possible configuration. Or another here is the example is 91 hex. 91 hex is the example of input mode. In input mode here, whatever is done here, so D7 is the value 1, means input output mode is selected, and the value of D5 and D6 both are 0. तभी तो मेरा पोर्ट A mod 0 होगा. The बाकी bit pattern according to their A. Here is the default value is 1. So port A is the input port, and D3 value is 0. So port C upper is output port, and D2 value is 0. So port B in input mode is 0, and D1 value also 0. So port B is the output, and D0 value is 1. So port C lower is a input. ये गया मेरा basic input mode का features. Next is mode 0. Basic is all same, but something here changes. The changes is that here input and output both are latched, and interrupt logic is also supported. And बाकी तो same ही है. And handshake signal are exchange between MPU and peripheral. Handshake signal are exchange between MPU and peripheral, and each port use 3 lines from port C has handshake signal, and remaining 2 lines for port C can be used for simple IO function. एक क्या मेरा ये the example is that B4 को हम लोग बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करें तो ये देखो यहाँ पर अगर 0-1 होगा वैल्यू ऑफ D6 एंड D5 का अगर 0-1 होगा तब मेरा पोर्ट ए मॉड 1, और जब वैल्यू D2 का वैल्यू जब पोर्ट बी मॉड 1 सिलेक्टेड होगा. यहाँ पर मॉड 0 और मॉड 2 में यह इंटरप्ट लॉजिक को सपोर्ट करता है, जो मॉड 0 में इंटरप्ट लॉजिक को सपोर्ट नहीं करता है. दूसरा बात है मॉड 0 में मेरा आउटपुट latched, but input are not latched. But in mode 1, output and input both data are latched. And another is that handshake signal exchange between, here handshaking is done, but signal exchange between microprocessing unit and peripheral. And each port use 3 lines from port C as a handshake signal, and remaining 2 of the port C upper and lower for simple IO function. And final is that mode 2, which is actually the combination of mode input output, mode 1 input and mode 1, and it is the bidirectional data transfer mode. It is the bidirectional data transfer mode. And here the port A can be configured as bidirectional port, and port B either mode 0 or mode 1. Port A can be configured as a bidirectional port, and port B either mode 0 or mode 1. But here port A must be configured in bidirectional port. Okay, and port A uses 5 signal from ports as a handshake. Port A uses 5 signal from port C as a handshake. And for example is that here the value of D7 is 1, and D6 is the mode selection, and these two as don't care, these 3, and port B is mode also, and port B also input out, and port C as a input or output both. Now how can we bidirectional data transfer using 8255? Here master or slab data transfer between master and slab. Initially from master, then from master to slab. देखो both connected in between. One side is master MPU, another side is slab MPU. So initially in between 8255, so 8255 is connected both 8255 with connected both processor, and all are connected, both master and slab are internally connected with a bidirectional data bus or system bus to and a logic, decoder logic, which is chip select, is connected, and another two signal from master MPU to 8255. Here RD bar and W bar. RD bar is the input, reads the input signal 8255, or RD bar is the reads the input signal, and WR bar writes input to 8255. And here output buffer acknowledgement through all are connected to 5 pins PC3 to, देखो यहाँ पर पहले बोला port C, port A use 5 signal from port C as a handshake, port C as a handshake. So 5 signal means PC3 to PC7, which is INTR, interrupt request, STB strobe input, IBF interrupt buffer flag, acknowledgement, and output buffer. Input buffer flag, that is the output buffer, and this is acknowledgement. So what type of operation done here? So data transfer from master to slab. The master MPU reads the status of OBF to verify whether the previous data bus has been read by the slab MPU. So here data transfer from master to slab is the MPU reads the status of OBF to verify whether the previous byte has been read by the slab MPU. There is an input function for master MPU. Now the master writes data into now the master write data in input port A and 8255 from the slab by causing the signal OBE go to slow, and this is an output function for master MPU, and the slab checks the OBF signal from master for data availability, and this is the input function for slab MPU. Now the slab MPU reads the data from port A and acknowledges the reading the same time by making the ACE signal, मतलब ACK signal, मतलब acknowledgement signal low. This is an input function for the slab. This is the input function for the slab. Now from data transfer from slab to master MPU, just opposite. Here the slab MPU check the handshake signal IBF input buffer. The input buffer is full or not, to find the output whether the port A available is empty to transfer data byte to transfer data. This is an input function for slab MPU. And now next is that the slab MPU places data byte on the data to inform 8255 by enabling the strobe input signal, STB strobe input, and this is an output function for slab MPU, and 8255 causes the IBF, मतलब input buffer is full to go. The master slabs reads the signal, find out whether the data byte is available or not. And this is the input function for master MPU. And finally, the master reads the data from 8255 main slab MPU, and this is the input function for master MPU. So from this way, the data transfer can be takes place between master MPU to slab MPU and data and slab MPU to master MPU. And this is the bi-directional data transfer using 8255. So if any question in exam in question is there, kindly explain the bi-directional data transfer mode of 8255. So we draw this block and explain just this. So you get the out of 10 or 5 full marks. Okay. Any doubt regarding this from starting to? Hello.